Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to block someone on LinkedIn without opening their profile. So let's start this video. First, open your LinkedIn application. Just click on your profile on the top left corner. Now click on settings on the bottom left corner. Over here click on visibility. Now click on profile view options. Over here you have to select the private mode. Now go back and select the user which you want to block. So let's say I want to block this person, so I will just click on the profile and then click on the three dots just in front of the message option. Just click on report or block. Now click on block Elixir on and then click on block. So after we block them, they won't be able to see that we viewed their profile and blocked them. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.